Hi, recently I got an email from one of our customers who shared a story of how she uses home inventory, and I wanted to share it with you quickly. So she traveled for 2 months from up north in the States down to Florida, and she had limited space to pack and to bring things. And in the past, when she did this, she would physically look in her closet and go through all of her clothes and all the items that she wanted to bring and physically move them around as she was going through the process of deciding what to take. It took a lot of time and actually a lot of physical work to do that. So this trip, she decided to use home inventory, and what she did is she used the tags feature. Um, she tagged all the items that she really wanted to bring down to Florida with her, including, let's see, luggage, medications, and clothing, of course, and shoes. She tagged them all with a tag called Florida Travel. Then what she did for the next step is she went through her clothes in home inventory and tagged them with a color, the color of the clothing. Then she also tagged each item of clothing with a color set. What color sets would this piece of clothing match? Then she could go through the inventory through the lists of tags and really whittle down what it was she wanted to bring very quickly based on the color sets. She could take the clothes that matched the most colors. That way she could mix and match with a lot fewer pieces of clothing that she needed to bring. She said she actually brought half as much as she has brought in the past by using this method in home inventory. Really pretty fun to hear this. Using home inventories for something we never thought of is always wonderful to hear. She even uses it now, she says, to pick out clothing for what she's going to wear the next day. I think that's a wonderful use. And she brings, when she does travel, she brings a list of everything she's brought so she knows what to bring back with her and can do kind of a inventory check off to make sure she's packed everything back up. So we are very thankful to her for sharing her story. If you have a story on how you used home inventory, please share with us. We'd love to share it with all of you. Send me an email, or even better, send me a video and we'll put it up on our YouTube channel. So thank you. We're thankful for you. Until next time, bye.